Is it true that only expensive stainless steel bearings can be used in food production? In the production of food, bearings must be suitable for direct contact with the product without contaminating it, especially not with unsuitable lubricants. In addition, food-grade lubricants and the man-hours required to keep the bearings lubricated and cleaned are extremely costly. igubal food contact spherical bearings are up to 8 times more affordable than comparable solutions made of stainless steel. And they do not require any maintenance thanks to their self-lubricating properties, meaning the costs for the lubrication itself are also eliminated. igubal FC bearings are FDA and EU compliant, metal detectable, corrosion-free, and of course, blue in color. The vibration reduction properties also ensure less noise in your production. If you would like to learn more on how you can save time and money by using igubal food contact solutions, click the link below.